Hey everybody, it's TRAKing Pat. In today's video, we're going to talk about the EPA and the ProtoTRAK RLX control. The EPA is short for Enhanced ProtoTRAK Assistance, and what it basically is a reference guide that's built into the control to help you learn how to do all the different functions that are available. Now in there you'll find a whole bunch of subject matter, but it does have the ability to narrow down your searches, and I'm going to show you how all that stuff works. In general, right now I'm on a blank page. And so if I push the EPA button, which is located here in the information panel, you'll notice some subjects do pop up right away. And to see how any of them work, I would simply touch whichever button that is, and it'll open up a window and it'll show either videos or prints or descriptions on how to use everything that's in here. So as I scroll through the different pages, it'll give me more information how to set up my program tools, how to save tools to the library, so on and so forth, because I'm under the tooling button. To get backwards, hit the back arrow, takes me back to the screen I was at originally, and to get out completely, I would just hit the EPA button and the flyout window will close. Now there's another way to search all the subject matter. As you can see, you've got checkboxes down here for all the different things you might want to learn. Or if you wanted to go to all the topics, just simply touch that button, and now you'll see as I scroll through here, everything that's in the control is listed. And I would just look for the topic I want to change or learn about, and then I could learn a little bit as I go through that part of it, okay? There's also a search window at the top where I can open the keyboard and punch in a certain subject and narrow the search that way. But there's even a better way of doing it than this, okay? So let me close that real quick. Sorry about that. From my angle, I can't see the box so well. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to close it, and I'm going to show you that if I'm in a specific mode or a certain part of a mode, it's going to narrow the search automatically. So for instance, here I'm in DRO mode. When I select EPA, you'll see in here that all my subjects have to do with the manual part of using the control in the manual mode or DRO mode, right? And if I close it again and I switch to the program mode, you'll notice now when I open it back up that it has things that have to do with your programming mode. It has to do with the events and all the different subject matter that's in the events, okay? Last but not least, if I close it one more time and I'm in my program mode, so let's just go forward here and select drill. Now that I'm in drill, if I go to EPA, now it's going to go to subject matter that has to do with your drilling events, okay? If I close it one more time, delete that event, and go to something like a cycle event, now when I open it, it's specifically going to talk to you about cycle events and teach you how to do that. So you'll see in here that it starts out telling me what a cycle is, which gives me the ability to rough and finish a part all in one sequence. As I go through the pages, it'll walk me through the very first part. Here it's showing me my Z-axis approach, it's showing me the roughing passes, the finish passes, and so on and so forth. And as I walk through each part of it, it'll start showing me how to actually program it to make it work. When I'm finished, as always, it takes me back a page or close the flyout window by pushing the button completely. Now the EPA is not finished yet because the product's still somewhat new, and we've built it on a platform where we'll always be able to enhance and add extra items to this control. And by doing so, when we add more content, we're also going to update the EPA. And so just keep an eye on the website as to what's new and download the newest version and get yourself a little bit more information as we go along. We're going to keep making this product better and better. And as we do, we want you to have all the cool things that we put into it. So I hope this makes it very helpful for you to understand that this is a control you could almost teach yourself. We're still going to come out and teach you when you buy one. So I would suggest you talk to one of your sales guys and get a complete demonstration on how the product works. For now, we're just talking about EPA, but we're going to do some other videos that show you some of the other really cool things that are in this product. In the meantime, keep watching the videos. We sure love it when you subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. And as always, keep on tracking. Forward! Hey everybody, it's TRAKing Pat out here on the links enjoying a little free time after a long day of work. As usual, we're hearing that a lot of the videos are helping you guys out there make a little bit more money. I hope that's the case, and I hope you take that extra money and a little extra time and get out and hit the links yourself. Of course, I'm out here having a good time right now, but next week I'll be back in there doing the next video. We love it when you watch them. We really like it when you give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, push this button over here. And of course, if you'd like to watch the next video, just push the one over here. I'll see you either on the links or I'll see you in the next video. As always, don't forget to keep on tracking. Man, I gotta go find that ball.